What type of sherry is typically used when cooking? Not having used sherry before, what is the type used when a recipe just calls for sherry? I see cream sherry, dry sherry, and very dry sherry at my local grocery store. Does brand matter much?
Cream sherry is very sweet. Likely too sweet for most recipes that don't explicitly mention it. If a recipe simply calls for sherry, it usually means dry sherry, as that's the most common kind of available. In fact, I don't think I've ever even seen very dry around here. So I would definitely stick with the dry. As for brand, if you see several different bottles all labeled sherry, I don't think it matters too much which one you pick, at least if you're using it for cooking and not drinking. P.S. If you're using this as a substitute for rice wine, the commonly accepted substitute is indeed dry sherry. If you were able to buy actual styles of sherry, then Fino is the driest, and is the one to go for in most savory dishes. If you are using it in seafood or fish dishes, then I'd try to get Manzanilla, which is a kind of Fino that is grown on the coast and has a salty tang to it. For sweet dishes, try the really raisiny Pedro Ximenez, PX, or Oloroso, which is usually dry, but there are sweet versions.